In today's video, we're going to unbox the RK-9300 from Rosewill. On tap for unboxing in this video is the new RK-9300 from Rosewill. It's their latest mechanical keyboard featuring Cherry MX switches. Carrying the new branding of Rosewill in your own way, the front of the box also features a picture of the keyboard and some highlights such as designation of 100% Cherry MX mechanical key switches, N-key rollover protection, and 4 modes of backlight adjustment. The board we're featuring here has brown Cherry MX switches in it, but it's also available in blue Cherry MX at the time of this video. Checking out the marketing on the back of the box, it lists the features of this keyboard, such as 100% Cherry MX switches, durable and stylish aluminum chassis, double injection keycaps to prevent wear and tear, N-key rollover protection for no ghosting or jamming, built-in 4 modes of backlighting areas with an option for backlighting on or off, and adjustable brightness. It's also got multimedia keys, and it's simply plug and play. Listed are the specifications for the RK-9300, and those are: it is full speed USB, it has 104 keys, keystroke is measured at 4 millimeters to the bottom, it has a USB cable length of 5.9 feet or 1.8 meters for you metric folks. The dimensions of the keyboard are as follows: 18 inches in length, 6.5 inches wide, and 1.6 inches high. And for you metric folks, that's going to make it about 457 millimeters by 165 by 40.64, give or take a millimeter. It also weighs in at a nice desk-grabbing 3.09 pounds, or, for you metric folks, 1.4 kilograms. Moving over to the highlighted graphics on the back of the box, the features that are listed here are that it has a durable aluminum chassis, 100% Cherry MX switches, multimedia function keys, N-key rollover, you got 3-way cable management, double injection keycaps, and down in the bottom corner they list their technical support information along with a toll-free support number. Alright, let's get this thing out of the box. We can definitely see that it's well packed for protection. Alright, the included user manual gives explanation on how to access the functions that are built into this keyboard. Since, as previously mentioned, the RK-9300 is simply plug and play, and it's got no additional software. From setting hotkeys to media key usage and controlling the backlight, the manual is going to give you everything you need to know about the RK-9300 to let you Rosewill in your own way. Spanning across the keyboard, we can see that the keycaps have a definitive contour to them. Clear areas left for the LED illumination. The function keys are actually painted white, though. It's going to help them stand out a little bit more on the key face, allowing for easy location. The aluminum base is finished in a textured black satin as well. Turning our attention to the bottom of the keyboard, we can see that it has flip-up risers with a nice amount of rubber insert in them to help stabilize the keyboard and provide some degree of angle. Beside that, we can see the available routing channels to help keep the cable in check when in use. Taking a top-down look, we can see that each keycap is equipped with its own LED on top of the aluminum key plate. You can see the Cherry MX switches in place, and there's pretty good height on each one of these keys for, easy crumb removal. Make sure you're subbed for the upcoming review of this RK-9300 mechanical keyboard from Rosewill. With its gold-plated USB cord and aluminum chassis, it should prove to be a sturdy opponent to my vigorous and impactive hunt and peck typing style. Just gotta say thanks for the provision of this keyboard so that I can Rosewill in my own way.